Mr. Ali. Monsieur Ali. Hello. Hello, Ali. Ali is not here. I can't hear you, Ali.
Good morning, Mr.
Good evening, sir. Safe.
Hello, Mr. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I can. Yes. It's a good morning, isn't it? Safe. Oh. Hello, Safe.
Hello.
Yes, hello, Ali.
No.
How is the day with you? Fine. Are you people happy? Did you just wake up?
Yes.
Wow, 5 o'clock. Wow, that is amazing. So you will be shocked when you move there to Malaysia. These people sleep early and wake up very early.
No, I wake
5:30.
up like 8 a.m. I just like went out
Wow.
and slept at 4 or something.
Ah, okay. Okay. So you do wake up early. That's good because these people there wake up early and sleep early. I think they sleep by maybe 9:30 or 10 p.m. So you have to adjust to that. So, okay, what about the homework? No, no homework.
No, mister, I did it. I just struggled in a small part.
Small only. Okay,
Mr. I
what?
didn't do it.
Why, Sif? Why? Why you are so confident when you're
I will
saying
be
it?
very honest with you, okay?
Sorry, sorry.
No, not confident. I'm
Okay.
not confident.
So
Like
why?
I'm going to tell you the truth, okay?
Tell me the truth. Yeah, sure. That's best. That's the best. Yes. What is
Yes,
your issue?
I didn't check the link.
Oh, okay. And any strong reason for that?
Okay,
You was busy.
uh, I will tell you the real reason. It will make you laugh, but I will tell you the
Yeah,
reason.
I know why.
Like
Because the
when you
mister,
give
I
us
know.
the
Yeah,
link,
safe,
هتلاقيك
safe.
بتكتب
Yeah,
class
safe. Yeah,
recording كذا.
safe.
Wait, guys, wait.
ليه؟
One by one.
يا ابني
mister,
انا
I
اللي
know
بتكلم مش
why.
انت.
I know why. انا عارف ليه من قبل ما انت تقول انا عارف ليه. انا بس عايز اقول
ليه؟
مستر ما كتبش هومر، كتب 8 slides بس. You didn't write plus exercise
Sorry again. Can you say again?
because you didn't write plus exercise. You
Ah,
wrote only 8
okay.
slides.
ايوه ده السبب بصراحه، عشان لما حضرتك بتدي واجب بتكتب and the exercise.
Wow, that is a strong reason, huh? Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, but yeah, I think yeah, I better check every time. Yeah, it's a miss from my side. Yes. Okay, I apologize for that. Okay, fine. So what about Ali? Are you able to share your screen then and show us what is
Yes,
your
yes.
issue?
Okay, I shared.
So be aware, safe that I mean, you already know that Ali is actually studied the computer science before, so he will be a bit ahead
Yes,
of you if you start to miss. So just be aware of that.
yes.
So okay, now
Mr.
okay, no, wait. Let us be honest here. This answer is an ideal answer. It only come from an automatic machine that can produce automatic answers.
No,
Uh,
Mr. Like, I have a question. Like, what is, I said I used the while loop because in the question it said if the number is less than one, we'll try again. So I said while number is less than one, it will like do the same thing. And then like I just said the total for zero, and I did this. But the problem here is it does not like do that. Like if I type four, it will do one plus two plus three. Like I don't
okay,
like. Let's try
okay.
like just. I don't know like what is ideal. It will do one plus two plus three. So this is like I can't fix this one.
Okay, but
Where's
but
the
my question to you is that did you use AI
no,
to?
Mister? Like, tell me what is something hard in this one.
Okay, but tell me the truth. Did you use AI? Because
No,
I mean,
there's
it's
no
very
AI.
clear to me. This is an ideal answer that cannot be produced from a student. It's very hard.
Like, what is ideal in this?
Um,
You already had similar questions in IGCSE.
okay, okay.
I
So
open
you
past papers sometimes, but like,
okay? Okay. Let me try to trust you, and then we see. Okay. So actually, the issue. So when you say we would like to sum until 4, so it means that we're summing 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then we stop here, right? That's why it gives me 6. So
yes.
it stop at 4. But if we add plus 1 here, that will solve the issue.
Okay.
Does it solve?
Yes.
So I think definitely I should not explain it to you safe, because that is something that you need to think about and give it to me. So you saw the answer, yes, but you have to think about it, how you understand it, because
I
you would
think this
like to.
part was the hardest part. Totally cool. I think this is easy. Like, there's nothing in here.
And isn't it, didn't we take this kind of thing before, the
Yeah,
totality
yeah.
algorithm?
I mean, this one is like these are easy. Like because you tell me this is an ideal answer. I don't know what is I like. What should I do to make it not ideal?
Okay, I should not teach you so that I can detect you every time. But I mean, the way that you organize it, the way that you choose the variable names, it's all make it an ideal answer for me. And
We
also,
use I like you mean like if I change this to an N maybe or like index or I don't know.
okay. So since when did you use a ChatGPT in finding answers? I mean, not necessarily here, but in general. Did you use it before,
No,
one
like
year
of
ago?
course I know ChatGPT from like 3 4 years, but like
Wow,
uh,
3 4 years. Wow. Okay, that's good.
but like I really don't use it like to cheat the homework because I want like to استفيد يعني.
Wow. Okay. And what else did you use it for?
Like maybe in some of like in the school year maybe like some but not to cheat like just to understand like a hard part or like
Okay. And then, so did you use it to summarize things? Did you use it to?
yeah maybe yes in computer science it helped me a lot like to understand some of the hard things or
Okay. Okay. Um. Okay, that's good. Do you use a paid version or the free version?
no I use the free version.
Okay. Okay.
My
Not
mom will
bad.
not give me money for ChatGPT.
Okay. Okay. But I mean, I don't want to. I mean, touch wood. Your mother is acting like a non-typical Egyptian, or maybe I never dealt with too much Egyptian to judge. But I think,
Why?
I mean, I think she's similar to the other parents that I dealt with outside Egypt. So I never
because
felt
she
from the
didn't
way she.
allow him
No,
to
no, no,
buy
no, no,
the
not
chat.
necessary. No, no, not necessary. I mean, the way that the she deal with it in a professional way, same like the other mothers that I dealt with outside Egypt.
I don't understand anything like what do
Never
you
mind,
do?
just professional.
No
She's just
no like
professional
professional in what?
in the dealing. The way that we are. I mean, the way she arranged things about the class. She's professional, not like the haphazard way that the typical Egyptian do. So whenever we say something, she stick to it, and that this is just an example. So yeah, actually that's very professional. So
Okay, thank you.
I didn't see that from others. So yeah, or maybe like I said, I didn't deal too much with Egyptians, so I'm not very sure. Hopefully, maybe there is certain Egyptians who are professional also,
Are you
but
Egyptian?
yes, yes, of course, but I
So
didn't
like
stay. I didn't
mm,
stay too long here. So I mean, I stayed in the last 20 years. I stayed only for, I think, only last 2 or 3 years. I start to come a lot to Egypt, but
like
before that, no.
like in your child like when you were a
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
child
Of
you
course, of course, of course. Yes, I traveled when I was like 27.
Oh, because I feel like you are like you lived all your life outside of Egypt. Like
Yes,
you,
to 17 or 18 years outside Egypt. Yes.
yeah, but
So
you had 27 years, so it's like okay, okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So
So why
let's
we don't speak Arabic session?
because okay
Like a
uh
little Arabic and English.
I think maybe because I how to say I learned technology from there from outside, and I find it more easier to describe it or even to talk about it in English because I did that before there. So I stumble among Arabic words if I try to explain it in Arabic. So sometimes I cannot find uh, the meaning of a certain word in English, so I don't know how to say it in Arabic. So that become a bit harder. I don't write Arabic frequently there, so it means that I'm slower in writing Arabic. And then if I have to write Arabic, I write it in the Fusha way. So because I don't know, I mean, I don't know how to write the dialect, the Egyptian dialect.
بس
So yeah,
حضرتك من فين من مصر؟
sorry, from
Where
Suez,
were you born in Egypt?
from Suez.
السويس؟
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Us enough wings.
Okay, okay. Let's move. Okay. Uh, let's see. So, okay, can you see my screen? So I would say we finish string handling, and then we need to talk about arithmetic operators, not operations. So guys, I think the addition, subtraction, and multiplication, I think they are all great. Okay, so far, I think we did that. You know how to use a plus to maybe add x and y and then save the result in a third variable. I think we did that. If we say x minus y, also I think it's not difficult. If we say x multiplied by y, also, so this is the multiplication operator, and we also able to say x divided by y, and we are able to save that in a third variable. I think all of this is not difficult, isn't it? Safe.
Yes, it's easy.
Okay, that's good. And safe, then we need to learn about this operator. So this
This I
operator
already
is,
know.
yes, okay.
We
So
took
this,
it.
okay. So this is when you raise something to the power of. So if you would like to do that, then you will do it this way. Okay?
Okay.
So okay. Let me see. What about the
It's
modulus? Do you still
the
remember
modulus
the
one.
modulus?
Yes,
See,
yes.
do you still remember it?
Any odd
Okay.
number modulus 2 is equal 1.
Yes, that is one of the ways, but basically, I mean, yeah, that is a special case. But the I mean, if you
I know
need,
how it works. Yes.
okay, that's great.
Mainly,
And what about the integer division?
it gives you the whole
No,
number.
I don't know.
So if we divide like that, so what is
Two,
the expected result? 2.
two,
Okay, what about if we divide?
three.
3.
Yes. So this integer division, it takes the integer part from the division and ignore any decimal point.
Okay.
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 Guys, let me see. Add 2 characters to see what is observed. I think, please, can you do that? Do this, these 2, 3 and 4.
Okay.
Mister,
Mm-hmm.
try to add two characters. Never mind. Sorry, sorry.
Mister, I shared. Can you see my screen?
No, I didn't.
Uh,
So, Safe, do you need to see the screen or I can stop sharing?
No, no. I take pictures with my phone. Us.
Okay, that's good. Now, mm-hmm.
I'm done also.
Okay. So,
is it okay?
yep, yep, it is okay.
Mister,
Hmm.
the remainder. هو
Yes,
remainder I used the modulus.
yes, yes.
Okay, I used the norm division.
No, the modulus is that's why I'm telling you don't only remember the modulus 2 and modulus 3 and modulus 10 because I mean this is a special cases, but typically modulus is the way to get the remainder of a division.
Okay.
Stop.
So can you put let me see 10 modulus 4?
Me also or Ali only?
No, if you finished, yes, you can do it.
Okay. I'm finished.
Okay, then write 10 modulus 4 and print it out.
2.
Why is it 2?
Because the 10 has two fours, like 4, 4, 8, and then two remainders.
Okay. And if we change that to 17?
10 modulus
17 model?
17
No, 17 modulus 4.
تبقى 1.
Okay, that's excellent. So you guys understand. What about Ali? Ali,
Yeah, yes.
Ali,
Yes.
yeah, do you understand why it is 1?
Yes, because 4 by 4, 16, so 1 left, like
You will
17.
subtract it. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me start sharing again, please. So we have also something called logic operators. I think we have seen some of those, the bigger than and the less than and the equal, right? Did we see it? Do you still remember that we have seen that?
Yes.
And I think the bigger than or equal or less than or equal, or we also have seen that, right? Or you want an example?
We have seen that.
Okay, Saif and Ali, both.
Seen what?
Have you seen how the greater than or equal or less than or equal operator works? You still
No,
remember
no,
that?
sorry, we didn't.
We didn't. Okay. So it means that, okay, if we have age and this age equal maybe 30. So if you say if age is bigger than or equal 20, then you print some kind of text here. Okay. So this is how you use bigger than or equal. And then if you would like to use smaller than or equal, so age less than or equal 18, you print young man, for example. Okay, so I would say here, okay, here age bigger than or equal 20, maybe, okay, maybe 23. Let's say 23. So if the age, we put the age initially, we saved 30 inside the age variable, and then we check this. Okay, so if he's bigger than 23, most probably he already have a degree by that time, right? And if he's less than 18, he's still young. Definitely, he doesn't have a degree. So guys, did you see now how I'm using the operators? This kind of operators.
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So can you people write this, please? Since you didn't see it before, even if you write it in the same file, also it's totally okay.
Okay.
Did any of you guys travel to Europe before?
I traveled to France before.
France. What else?
And that's it.
So it's not for training, not for, it's just for fun,
No,
right?
tournament,
Okay. Okay. You're playing a sport?
squash.
So you go for playing squash there.
Yes,
Wow, that's good. That's good. Did
but
you score
I
something?
retired.
Oh, you retired so early.
Yes,
Okay.
Mister. If you like, you watch squash or no?
A little bit.
Like, if you saw Egypt, it's the best
Yes,
country
I know. It's
in
one
the
of the
world
top
at
countries. Yes.
squash,
Yes, it's true. Yeah.
What?
especially in the young age. Like, if you saw the people who I play with,
Uh-huh.
like, they spend, like, literally, not joking, I saw it with my eyes, around 6 to 7 hours per day practicing. Does not include their training with their coaches. They practice with themselves.
Wow. Okay.
So why
There
did you
are
stop?
like 70% of them are homeschooling.
Wow. Homeschooling.
Yes. There is a tournament in England.
Uh-huh.
This is like the most important tournament for the younger age,
Okay.
not the men's, the U20, and from the U23 until to the under 11,
Uh-huh.
all of the winners were Egyptian. Every
Wow.
single winners were Egyptian, and some had the final and quarterfinals or semifinals, or include Egyptians only.
Interesting.
There are only four from each country allowed to enter this tournament.
Wow.
The four highest people ranked from each country. They won the whole thing for every single age group.
Wow. Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. It's amazing that we see. I mean, if I can remember at my age, the guy who was really popular was Ahmad Barada. This is what I can remember. But after that, I never followed. That was so old. I mean,
No,
maybe you never heard about him, did you?
no, no. I know Muhammad Sharbagi,
Yeah,
and
okay. But Barada was I think is very popular at that time. I think, but he disappeared very fast, unfortunately, sadly. So, okay, did you benefit from playing? I mean, did you earn any scholarship or
no.
you?
If I continued squash, I would have failed us in school. It needs a
Ah,
lot of time. I used Aslan to go to El Maadi to train fitness. I used to
okay.
go 1 hour and return in 1 hour. And the training took from 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes. So per day, a minimum 4 hours are wasted.
Okay. I understand. I understand. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Well, what I understand that typically this kind of I mean, from what I see in Malaysia, that they include this kind of activities in the school, which means that you don't have to go and practice in a separate club, and then once you start to score for your school, then you definitely can guarantee a scholarship. Um, but of course, things in Egypt is slightly also different. So yeah, I can understand your suffering. Definitely, you spend a lot of time, especially in the transportation and this kind of arrangement. Okay, I totally understand. Now, guys, have you done it?
In
Not yet.
line
Sorry.
number 3.
Okay.
So I can play also squash in Malaysia. And if I played well and enter tournament,
I'm
I'm
not
going
very
to have
sure.
scholarship.
No, I'm not very sure about. I mean, I'm talking about the people at younger age. Like, I think
Yes, yes, because
they're talking about
I asked the
12, 13 years old around there.
Pioneer about it.
Uh-huh.
I asked Pioneer about it. He told me I need to be world champion.
Wow. Well, what I know that you have
Yes.
to understand also one thing that what I know is not related to foreigners. So sorry to say that Malaysian people are a bit racist, and unfortunately, sadly, I don't like to say it, but unfortunately, they are a bit racist, which means that you will find that
Also Egyptians.
yes. If we want to be fair, yes, Egyptians also are racist. I mean, that's not something good that we can record in a video, but yes, unfortunately, sadly, yes. So, but you will feel it so bad. I mean, you will feel so bad about yourself when you see that there. So you will find, I mean, at the time, at certain times, um, uh, in the 2020, 2021, we as a foreigners, we were not allowed to pray in the masjid, just because we are foreigners. So it was only Malaysians who was allowed to pray in the masjid, and that is also heartbreaking sometimes. But anyhow, it's
Like for
okay.
a whole year, you cannot pray.
During the whole COVID thing, uh, I think you call it here Corona. I think you don't call it COVID, but
Yeah.
outside
So
Egypt they
they
call it
check you
COVID.
before you enter the masjid.
Yes, yes, they definitely can recognize if you are a foreigner or not. So if you are a foreigner, definitely you are not allowed
So
to
what
enter
for what reason? Like
because
you
you're a
carry.
foreigner. You are a foreigner. The
But this is
rule
like people say that Malaysia people are very kind and like
as
this
a
is
tourist, they are kind as long as you're a tourist. But if you stay with them, you live with them on a daily
so maybe
living.
you are a tourist praying. So how will they
They
know?
are sneaks يعني.
I don't know, but I don't know. I don't know how they did, but that was the rule. Actually, that was instructions from the top officials of the country. I mean, they didn't do it just because of they got instructions from the top level that the foreigners are not allowed. They don't want foreigners to actually transfer any disease to the Malaysian. So to this extent, so I think that is a bit heartbreaking. So yes, I have to admit sometimes Egyptians also behave as a racist, yes, but we didn't reach that level yet. I think so. So
يعني
yeah, so
يعني هم اوحش مننا.
a bit, a bit, yes. In this context, yes. So, and
Okay.
you will also see that. I mean, I don't know what to say. I mean, there is certain things that we cannot regularly record, but let me little bit by little bit explain to you. So you have to see or have to take it in and accept it that there will be difference. If you see a Malaysian studying with you, he will be treated differently, and he will be given privilege more than you. Okay, so and I mean this is not Europe. You have to understand that this is not Europe. This is a Muslim country. Yes, you are able to pray, and you don't have to worry about eating halal food. A little bit you have to worry. If you eat Chinese or India food, you have to worry. But as long as you're eating in a Muslim restaurant, then you don't have to worry that the food is halal or not, like in Europe. But at the same time, um, people are not fair enough like European sometimes or before. I mean, maybe 5 years before or 5 years ago or maybe 10 years ago, things was like this. So if you are talented, if you are skilled, if you have the talent and the mindset, high IQ, for example, then you are given a chance in Europe. But in Malaysia, no, they don't care. They don't care that you have high IQ or you are have an excellent record in your studies. Or no, no, they don't really care too much about that. They only care about your color and face and your race. So that is more important. So
Color, face,
unfortunately,
and race. What is the race? I don't understand.
okay. So wait. Then I have to. I got no choice. Sorry.